Wagwana people, this is your girl Tunde Tiziana kama vipi?
Yeah, what's up? It's your boy Omslow Montani, called Al Capone, representing code 8100.
Manze, tuko ndani ya Blue Radio, bringing the vibe. Show ni moja ya hip hop, show ni Pwani Vino.
Yes sir, most definitely.
Niambie mambo vipi?
Manze, it's been late manze. Mambo fresh lakini.
Poa man, ungepotea, rada?
Ungepotea, manze nilikuwa busy, nilikuwa kwenye project ya perform.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, perform, they're doing great. So kulikuwa na now this time walikuwa wamepeleka Kilifi.
Oh yeah, you went all the way to Kilifi?
Yes, because I was in Mombasa, lakini
yeah,
Mombasa sikumaliza kwa sababu nilifiliwa ushona. So nilidrop out kidogo. So I had to go, nini kamaliza na the course ambayo nilikuwa nafanya, but this time nimeenda nikafanya mambo na artist management.
Wow.
Yes. And last time ulikuwa
pata ma skills za meneja.
Yes, so
manze, I was there for the Mombasa cohort and it was amazing. Like a whole month of gaining knowledge about music. Yani, I learned a lot from this program.
Yes.
Oh my God. Sai.
And big shout to all the facilitators, manze. My facilitator hapo mwanzo anaitwa DJ Delight. Bro, that's my new mentor in town.
Wow, nice.
And all the facilitators ambao walikuwa hapo kwenye event management, kwenye artists, kulikuwa na Musiox, producer Musiox, Decimal Records, and all those other facilitators. And big shout out to all the people ambao walikuwa wametuhost, Titanic wametuhost, alafu na Wamboy, big shout out to you. Big shout out to you, man. It's been amazing. Yes, Yes, she was there, man. She's just a vibe, and all the whole team. She's such a leader. She's a leader, and so and all the all the cohorts ambao walikuja Kilifi kwa hiyo that program, it was dope. The workshop was just late, though it was so hot.
It's still hot here in Mombasa. But I also gained a lot from performance. I learned a lot about music, about royalties, about how you need to move as an artist. And it was an all-round thing. And big shout out to them for coming to Mombasa and now to Kilifi. So right now you have two skills: the artistry and the artist.
Yes. I needed to, as an artist, I needed to know what's the management. I need to know the management skills. Unafanyanga nini? Bro, that thing and it's deep.
Yes.
Artist management is not easy.
Yeah, it's not, of course.
It's not easy, and that's why I really wanted to know how in our country, at least now unajua artist management iko aina gani. So for you
can manage an artist.
Most you're an artist, I can manage you. And any artist must say not only managing but as an artist manager, unaambiwa first of all before you start even working with your artist, and you want to manage, you have to know the vision of the artist. If you come with utapata vision, then you won't get the value.
Oh wow.
Yes. And big shout to the team. We as the class ambao nilikuwa nao, amazing people mazee. Wame come through, tumeongelea to stuff. We were there as a team, tumework together as a team. We hapo ndani create an event, ambao inaitwa cool down within some 2 days, 3 days. To create an event. After hapo tukafanya tribe banders. It was dope. And guess what? Our facilitators wali come through.
Oh wow, they came to the event.
Yes.
Nice.
DJ Delight, big shout to David Mazee. He's a trainer of trainers.
Yes.
Mwenjua kuna trainer of trainers. Yes, so and I come through Mazee. Shout out to you Mazee. Wamboy, big shout out to you Mazee. The whole team ambao come through Mazee, big shout out. And I have a team cool down, big shout out to akina team ambao nilikuwa nao akina Kolo, classical Kolo.
Buy him from Mombasa.
So nimekuwa poa akina Elizabeth Mai. Akina Liza, that the whole team, ilikuwa dope sana.
Wow.
Marcus World.
So mtoko uko na value
kubwa sana.
Me too, manze. Mombasa kwanza we did an album. We have a boot camp of an album. It will be dropping sometime this month. So yeah, yani performing as a sema imenijenga
Yeah.
sana kama msanii.
Yeah.
So if there's any artist out there, I've seen wametangaza the next cohort itakuwa ya Kisumu. If you're an artist, must make sure you sign up for this program. Wanazunguka in all counties za Kenya. Make sure you sign up because you are going to gain so much and you're going to learn so much from
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Big shout out to Perform and all the facilitators.
They're
doing such a good job, and it's for free.
It's for free.
Imagine.
So, I love take lunch buffet umalizi maji umalizi
buffet lunch.
Asante. Ugopi wewe. Alafu cheki bado wafea juu yake. Wataka nini tena?
Alafu unatoa free knowledge. Why would an artist not go for this?
You know, this is a master class.
Ambao wewe you won't get it anywhere.
Atukisema wataka kwenda kuisomea. It's expensive ways.
Of course.
Na wale watu ambao hao mafacilitators wetu wataka hata consult peke yake. It's expensive ways kwa
afford pia.
Na tunakuja ndege kwenda wanakuja tu.
Plus you meet big people and you learn from the best.
Yes. So Mazee, I'm blessed. Mazee, we formed a team there, and also after every Tuesday we are going to create events. You know, working with up and coming artists, tofauti, creatives. You know, shout out to Performers. You guys, you are just late. And big shout out to the team. You cool down, Mazee. Oh, Lemon friends, Mazee. We have Akina Wambura. Big shout out to Wambura, Mazee. You know, Lisa and you know Ngatia. Big shout out to you. I love kuna classical Kolo, Mazee. Shout out to you, Mazee.
Nice. That's what's up, man. Performance in a good value. So come on, Insani. Make sure you sign up. Those classes are worth it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much.
Okay.